In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backup of a OneNote notebook. Backing up your notes is crucial. It ensures that your valuable information is safe and easily recoverable. Let's dive into the first method, which is ideal for OneNote for Windows desktop users. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. You will see your notebooks listed on the left. This is your workspace where all your notes are easily accessible. It's important to have this open to begin the backup process. Once you have OneNote open, your first step is to navigate to the File menu. Look for the word File at the top left corner of the window and click on it. This will take you to a new menu where you can access various options related to your notebooks. Next, click on Options in the sidebar. This is where you can customize your OneNote experience. Within the Options window, you will see multiple tabs. The one you want to focus on is the Save and Backup tab. Selecting this tab will reveal your backup settings, helping you manage where your backups are stored. It's a good practice to know your backup settings, as this ensures your notes are being saved in a location that is both secure and accessible. Under the Save and Backup section, you will find a field labeled Backup Folder. This is where OneNote automatically saves your backups. If you want to change this location, click on Modify. You can select a different backup location, such as an external drive or another folder on your computer. Choosing the right location is important because it can help you organize your backups better and ensure they are easy to find when you need them. Now, under the Save section, you will see an option that says Backup All Notebooks Now. Click on this option. This initiates the backup process for all your notebooks at once. It's a straightforward way to ensure everything is captured without having to back up each notebook individually. You will see a progress bar indicating that the backup is in progress. This visual feedback is reassuring, showing you that your data is being safely backed up. Once the backup is finished, a notification will appear. Click OK to close this notification. This step confirms that your backup has been successfully completed. You can now feel secure knowing that all your notebooks are safely backed up on your chosen location. This method is efficient and helps keep all your important information intact. Now let's move on to the second method, which involves exporting a single notebook as a OneNote package file. Begin by opening the specific notebook you wish to back up. This is useful if you only want to back up one notebook instead of all of them. With the notebook open, navigate once again to the File menu at the top left corner and click on it. From the File menu, select Export. This option allows you to create a portable backup of your notebook. Under Export Current, make sure to select Notebook. This ensures you're backing up the entire contents of the notebook, not just a section or page. It's important to choose the right option to avoid losing any data. Next, you will see a choice for the export format. Select OneNote Package, which is labeled as .1pkg. This format is convenient because it allows you to store your notebook in a single file. It makes transferring or restoring your notes much easier later on. Once you've selected the format, click Export to proceed. Finally, choose a save location for your .1pkg file. You can save it anywhere, such as on your computer or an external drive. This flexibility ensures that your backup is secure and accessible whenever you need it. After saving the file, you can later restore your notebook by opening this .1pkg file in OneNote. Remember, the built-in backup feature is available only in the OneNote desktop app for Windows. It is not available in OneNote for the web. If your notebook is stored in a personal OneDrive account, exporting it as a .1pkg file provides a convenient backup. Work or school notebooks stored in SharePoint or OneDrive for business may not support full notebook export. You now have the tools to ensure your OneNote notebooks are securely backed up.